Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Turbotax. If you've switched to a new email address or simply want to update your contact information, this process will help you make that change quickly and securely. Start by opening your Turbotax app. You can do this by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your account settings. Once your account has loaded, you're ready to begin the email change process. To change your email on Turbotax, start by clicking on Intuit Account on your left navigation menu. This option is usually easy to spot and serves as the gateway to all your account management settings. When you click it, a new browser tab will appear. This new tab is where you'll handle your account details, so keep it open. From this new browser tab, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity first before proceeding. This is an important security step that Turbotax uses to protect your account. You'll be given a few options to verify who you are. Simply select the one you have access to, whether that's verification through email, SMS, or a call code. Alternatively, you can just type in your password if that's more convenient for you. Choose whichever method works best and complete the verification process. This might take a moment, so be patient while the system confirms your identity. Once verified, you'll be directed to your Intuit dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your account. From here, access the Sign In and Security tab located on the left part of your screen. This tab contains all the settings related to your login information and security preferences, making it the right place to update your email. Once you're in the Sign In and Security section, click on Email Address. This will open up the field where you can make your change. Enter the email address that you wish to use and replace your current one with. Make sure you double-check the spelling and format to avoid any issues later. After you've entered the new email, click on Save to confirm the change. At this point, you'll be required to verify this new email to complete the email change on your Turbotax account. Turbotax will send a verification link or code to the new email address you just entered. Head over to that email inbox, locate the verification message, and follow the instructions to confirm. This final step ensures that the email address is valid and that you have access to it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email on Turbotax, and your account is now linked to your new email address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.